Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. Today we are going to be completing the text to self connection activity. Now you will find this on Class Dojo through worksheets. Before you begin, make sure you put your name on your activity and also the title of the book, which is called The Most Magnificent Thing. So, a text to self connection is when something in the book reminds you of something else in your own life. So, it might be something you have experienced from the past, it might be something that has happened to you today, or it could just be something that you have felt before. So for the first part of this activity, we need to write or draw a picture of something that happened in the story that reminded us of our own life. So I have put the part in the story that reminds me of a time in my own life, and it was when the girl tries using different things to make her creation magnificent, but it still doesn't work. And I put a picture of her using a saw to help with her creation. Moving on, I'm now going to tell you a time in my life that this reminds me of. So it reminded me of a time when I tried to make a round wooden coffee table. I used a sanding machine, but it still turned out curvy instead of round. When you complete this activity, before you begin, try and think about a time in your life where you have tried to do something and it didn't turn out the way that you had planned. Perhaps something ended up being better than what you thought, or it just ended up being really super bad. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you've watched the whole video on The Most Magnificent Thing. Then you're going to tell us the part in the story that you connected with, and then a time in your life that it reminds you of.